Today we're going to be introducing the ResMed AirMini Travel CPAP. One of the smallest CPAPs and best-selling CPAPs on the market for the travel. Camping, hiking, anything that you want outdoors, but you do have to add a battery to it. It does not come with a battery. When you take it out of the box, you're going to be having your manual, your actual device, your power cord, and a travel bag. Here you have the Bluetooth button, the power button. You have where the filter goes. To take out the filter, you need to press and push out. It is a little bit difficult to push out, but it comes right off. Here's your filter. You can take the filter out and dust it off. Depending on the usage of the machine is how often you're going to be replacing the filter. If you are just using the machine for travel purposes, your filter is going to be lasting between 3 to 6 months. The ResMed AirMini does not use a standard humidifier. It uses an HME similar system. It's proprietary to the ResMed AirMini, and it is a little filter that you're going to be putting in a little capsule, and you're going to be replacing that filter every 30 days. Now, the 30 days is from the moment that you open the filter, not from each day of use. So if you open it and you use it once, 30 days later you need to replace the filter. You have where you're going to plug in your tubing and where you're actually going to plug in the power source. Now that we've gone over the machine, let's go over the mask. It's important to know that on the AirMini, to be able to use the current CPAP mask you have to buy a special adapter. If not, you have to use the recommended mask for the AirMini. Here we have the AirMini hose with the adapter. To be able to use the AirFit F20, we're going to be removing the adapter that comes with the mask, and we're going to be installing the AirMini adapter. Once you have the adapter in place, you're going to be plugging your tubing into the machine. If you notice, this machine, it will not accept any tubing. It has to be the ResMed tube. Plugs in, and if you need to take it out, you gotta squeeze the sides and pull out. If you do want to try your current CPAP mask on the AirMini, there is a separate adapter that you can purchase online. To pair your AirMini device, you're going to be pressing the Bluetooth button on the AirMini, and you're going to be going into your app to the Bluetooth settings and hitting connect. Once you hit connect, your device will pop up on the screen. Select your device and hit connect, and you're ready to go. You're going to be able to see your MyAir score, how many hours you've used the machine, the mask CO, events per hour, if the mask has been on or off, and your total score. You will also be able to turn on the machine, and it'll give you the set parameters that you are on the same screen where you can turn the machine on and off. You can switch from therapy to mask fit, and you could run your mask fit just to see if your mask is working properly or not. On the More page, it gives you some more options and support that you can use. We offer the AirMini, just the machine, and we offer the AirMini bundles that come with the machine, the mask, and the Humidex filters. Now that you've gotten to know your ResMed AirMini, it's time to hit the road and travel with your CPAP machine. My name is Ozzy, I'm the respiratory therapist with CPAP, and thank you for watching this video.